Nutrition in animals. First, all organisms, including humans, require food for growth, repair, and functioning of the body. Second, animal nutrition includes nutrient requirement, mode of intake of food, and its utilization in the body. Third, different organisms have different ways of taking food. For example, snakes swallow their prey, bees and hummingbirds suck nectar from the flowers, etc. Fourth, the human digestive system consists of the alimentary canal and secretory glands. The canal can be divided into various compartments: the buccal cavity, food pipe or esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine ending in the rectum, and the anus. These parts together form the digestive tract. 6. The digestive tract and the associated glands like salivary gland, liver, pancreas together constitute the digestive system. 7th, nutrition is a complex process involving ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. The process of taking food into the body is called ingestion. 8th, digestion is the breakdown of complex components of the food into simpler substances. 9th, digestion of food begins in the buccal cavity. Carbohydrate like starch is digested in buccal cavity. Digestion of protein starts in the stomach. 10th, the bile secreted from the liver, pancreatic juice from the pancreas, and digestive juice from intestinal wall of small intestine complete the digestion of all components of food in the small intestine. 11th, the digestive food now passes into the blood vessels in the wall of the intestine. This process is called absorption. 12th, the absorbed substances are transported via the blood vessels to different organs of the body, where they are used to build complex substances such as the proteins required by the body. This is called assimilation. The removal of fecal matter through the anus time to time is called egestion. 14th, grass-eating animals quickly swallow grass which gets stored in. This partially digested food is called cud. This later returns to the mouth of the animals in small lumps and they chew it. This is called rumination, and these animals are known as ruminants. 15. Amoeba ingests its food with the help of finger-like projections, that is, the food is digested in the food vacuole. Important terms. Absorption. The passage of the digestive food into the blood vessels in the wall of intestine is called absorption. Amino acid. It is the basic building block of proteins. Amoeba. It is a single-celled microscopic organism found in pond water. Assimilation. It is the process in which the absorbed food is used for producing complex substances required by the body. Bile. Bile juice is a kind of juice secreted by the liver. Buccal cavity. The cavity of mouth with all its internal parts like cheeks, teeth, tongue, and salivary glands is called buccal cavity. Canines. These are two teeth, one on each side of the incisors, which help in tearing the food materials. Cellulose. It is a type of carbohydrate which is present chiefly in all plant tissue and fibers. Digestion. The breakdown of complex components of food into simpler substances is called digestion. Egestion. The removal of feces through the anus from time to time is called egestion. Fatty acid. It is an organic compound consisting of a long hydrocarbon chain and a terminal carboxylic acid. Food vacuole. A membrane bound vacuole, as in an amoeba, in which ingested food is digested. Gallbladder. It is a pear shaped sac which stores bile juice and is attached to the undersurface of the right lobe of liver. Glycerol. It is a colorless, sweet tasting, viscous liquid formed as a byproduct when fat is broken down. Incisors. The front four teeth in each jaw adopted for cutting are called incisors. Ingestion. The process of intake of food inside the mouth cavity is called ingestion. Liver. It is a reddish brown gland located on the upper right side of the abdomen. It secretes bile juice which help in the digestion of fat. Milk teeth. The first set of 20 teeth that appears by the age of 2 is called the set of milk teeth. Molar. There are 6 teeth, 3 on each side of the jaw and just behind the premolars, which help in grinding the food materials. Permanent teeth. Milk teeth are replaced by a set of new teeth, which are 32 in number and are called permanent teeth. Esophagus. Esophagus or food pipe is a tube-like structure that connects the mouth to the stomach. Pancreas. It is a large cream-colored gland located just below the stomach. Premolar. There are 4 teeth, 2 on each side of the jaw, which help in crushing the chewed food. Pseudopodia. 1 or more finger-like projections in amoeba which help in movement and ingestion of food is called pseudopodia. Rumen. Rumen is the first stomach in grass-eating animals which receives food or cud from the esophagus immediately after being swallowed. Ruminant. Animals that digest food by the process of rumination is called a ruminant. Rumination. A process by which partially digested food by ruminants return to their mouth and are again chewed properly is called rumination. Salivary glands. Salivary glands are a pair of small or branched structures situated in the mouth cavity. They secrete saliva. Villi. The inner wall of the small intestine have thousands of finger-like outgrowths called villi. Saliva. It is a secretion from salivary gland which contains starch splitting enzyme amylase for breaking starch into sugar. Thanks for watching.